twice, not once. Because it may be some of your imaginations, your sentiments, your own thoughts. Sometimes it happens. But she had seen the same thing. At one point of time, I remember she was a lion. At one point of time, she was a beggar. And the other time, she was a princess. And somebody stabbed her.
Okay.
And when she came in the present planetary system, she showed that here is I was stabbed at the nearby the navel point, and it was red at that time. And she was crying for pain. Lots of save me, please, heal me, please, please. Then we all gave the treatment to her for 20 minutes and she was okay. Some of the diseases, some of the problems we carry from the past life, and the present life we are carrying it to the other life. There, I hardly telephone to her. Even I just remember the name, immediately the telephone comes. That's how we yaad kiya hai. So we are just enjoying the life in our daily life.
Sometimes what happens, we are just remembering a song, and immediately after the song is on the FM or on the radio.
That is also coming. The waves are coming to you. The waves are coming to you, and the same thing is coming there.
Suppose I am thinking, just a Muhammad Rafi's very old song. I am driving a car, remembering that old song. The moment I switch it on, my car.
Yes, correct.
Immediately the song comes.
Yes, it comes.
This is what?
This is just moving energy and your psychic power. Your psychic power is very strong. Now somebody is having, you might have heard that he is the person, the things which are going to happen to him, the things come in the dream. That is called hypnoreiki. Very few people, very few people are using it. Otherwise, what is happening? That some people are using Reiki and some people are using hypnosis. But I have clubbed it. I have devised a new book. I have written a new book on this with the basis of my own experiences. I have come out with that. That how we can club this. Because there are so many things. The basic thing is, in Reiki also, we are going to give the alpha level, the relaxation, or a sleep talk, like this. You are going through a black tunnel, nobody is with you, there is a white light, you are falling there, and this means you are attracting your conscious mind towards your subconscious mind to be more active. But these are crystal forms of which I was talking to you.
What's the difference between this crystal and a simple glass?
That is very clear. But it is not clear inside. You might see.
Is it a stone or a glass? But it's
stone. No, it is not stone.
Okay.
It is a purified form of stone from the sea. Okay. It takes thousands of years. But now the people have come out with silicon plus oxygen. At certain temperature they heat it and then they put it into the form, and then the colors are also added to it to get the required results.
That is addition.
Like this. Like this. Without any sport and all this. And this surrender is a first criteria into it. If you don't surrender, you will get not results. The hypnosis doesn't work on heart patients. We don't allow the heart patients and mentally retarded persons and those persons who have a strong will. Oh, मेरे को करके दिखाइए. It's not there. श्रद्धा होनी चाहिए, सरेंडर की भावना होनी चाहिए. आप भी सरेंडर कीजिए, देखिए. Now close your eyes. Close your eyes. No thoughts at all in the mind. You are just listening to my voice. No voice is anywhere for you. You all are going in a deeper relaxation. I am protecting your subconscious mind or far of you. You are listening to Reiki voice. No voice is anywhere for you. You are holding a balloon in your left hand. You are holding a balloon in your left hand, and there are 10 books in your right hand, and there are 10 books in your right hand. I am protecting your subconscious mind, listening to my voice, only no voice is any value for you. You all are going in a deeper relaxation, more deeper relaxation. Feel that you are holding a balloon in your left hand, and you are holding 10 books in your right hand. and your right hand is becoming very heavy, very heavy. It is unbearable for you. It is going down. It is going down. You are holding a balloon in your left hand. It is going up. It is going up. Balloon is taking your hand up. Your balloon is taking your hand up. Your balloon is going to take your hand up, and you are holding 10 books in your right hand, and you are feeling very heavy. Your hand is going down with heavy. You are feeling very load, very pressure on your right hand with the 10 books. I am conducting a subconscious mind. You all are listening to my voice. No other voice is any value for you. You all are in a deeper relaxation, more deeper, deeper relaxation. You are holding a balloon in your left hand. You are holding a balloon in your left hand, and your hand is going up. Your hand is going up. Your hand is going up. You are holding 10 books in your right hand. It is going down with the load. 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 It is down. I am protecting your subconscious mind. You all are listening to my voice. No other voice is any value for you. You all are in a deeper relaxation. You all are listening to Reiki voice. No other voice is any value for you. You are in a deeper relaxation. You are holding a balloon in your left hand. You are holding a balloon in your left hand. Hands are 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Just see your hands. Where your hands are. They have just gone down. Right hand and left hand has gone up. Is it?
Yes, lightly.
What is this? This is working with subconscious mind. ये आपको सुना कर दिया है, and your subconscious mind has accepted it. Was it a wrong thing? Have I done anything wrong to you? No. So your mind has accepted it. Similarly, if you are having a fever, I will have just to say your fever has come down gradually, normal, gradually. एकदम डाउन नहीं करेंगे. Your BP gradually, एकदम नहीं करेंगे. Your temperature normal, temperature just 31 times you have to do it. And if you given direct attunement at that time, when he was in a tub of white energy, there was some geometrical form which were coming out of that, and then after he meditated on that and drawn that thing, then the current pain is separate, infection is separate, bites of the insects is separate. So there are variety of symbols are there, but there are some grandmasters like William Rand and so many others, Dr. Shijara and Takata, and they have in their meditation they have also developed certain symbols, and those symbols many other grandmasters also. That's called Karuna symbols. There is a difference between symbol, the Visaya symbols and Karuna symbols. And Dr. Kamra has also been blessed with the divine power while in meditation, and he has also developed a Mani Mantra device course. Device here means techniques. Mantra here also means techniques. Doesn't mean that mantra what we say. Mantra of course is there, but there are many other different types of techniques are there how to extract money from the universe. So when I was in meditation with the divine power, whatever it came to my mind, I was writing. I remember the day when I got a symbol for extracting money. When I came in the conscious state, I was not in a position to draw this symbol. It was very surprising for me that how I'm going to teach to the other persons. Then again I went in the meditation and asked the universe to guide me. But I will tell you that when you are attuned for Reiki and you do little bit practice, very quickly you get the guidance from the universe immediately. The thoughts comes to you, and those thoughts at that time are the thoughts of the God, of the universe.